So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5mm crochet hook. You can ideally use cotton yarn. In the written pattern I have mentioned that I used bare knot cotton yarn, or you can use sugar and cream, whichever medium worsted yarn you want to use, or you can use acrylic. We'll start with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain 3. So 12 half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. 1, and the 12th, and join to the beginning, chain 3. Tighten, chain 2, 2 half double crochet in every stitch, which makes it 24. 2 half double crochet in every stitch. And the last 2 half double crochet and join. Round 3, I'm gonna chain 2, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 in the next stitch, 1 in the following stitch. I will keep doing the same till the end of the round to keep the circle flat. And 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in the last stitch and join. Round 4, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and I will repeat 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches till the end of the round. And for round 5, what I'm gonna do is 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then after row 5 we'll change the work into the shell stitch. I'll be back on round 5 to show you what to do next. So here I'm at the end of round 5, and I'm gonna join, and I will place a stitch marker to know where to stop at the end. So from now on I'm gonna work the shell stitch in rounds, so no closing of the round. What I'm gonna do is chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch, skip 2 stitches, 5 double crochet in the next stitch, skip 2, single crochet in the next stitch, skip 2, 5 double crochet in the next stitch, so as I said, we'll be working in spiral. So here I'm at the end of the round. I'm gonna skip 2 and single crochet, and now I'm gonna skip 2 again, 1 and 2, and then I'm gonna make a single crochet again on top. I'm gonna skip 2 and 5 double crochet. I'm gonna repeat the same in every row for 10 rounds, and then I'll come back to show you what to do next. Skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochet. And here I'm finishing my last shell from round 10, and I'm gonna fasten off. And skip 2, slip stitch this time, and cut my thread. And next I'm gonna chain the strap for this mini purse. This is how it looks like so far, and we'll go on to the strap. So I'm gonna make a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 101. So I'm done with 101 chains. What I'm gonna do now is slip stitch back to the beginning. Slip stitch in every chain, and then fasten off. So here I'm done. I'm gonna tighten the loose thread, and I will hide it in between the stitches. Okay, so here I will count 2 rounds of shell stitches down, and then I will insert the strap randomly like this. And you can tighten it from the top. And then you pull this way to close. Very simple, very cute, and easy to make. A small shell stitch purse. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to look at the written pattern. Until next time, take care, bye bye.